to look at me. Remember when I called you, anything you go through, now you let yourself look at me, look at me. You made me,
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today we're about to be heading over to D's garage. We're about to be finishing up the swing thing. So today should be the last day that D needs really to button the last of the stuff up. Today he's gonna be getting the new MSD installed and the new ignition coil. So after that, everything should, I wanna say should be good. There isn't really much more to do to this thing. Psst. Hi, baby. Here. Yeah, eat your nanas. Mama, eat your nanas. Eat your nana.
Good job. Put it in, put it in, put it in.
Eat your nana. Eat it. Eat it. Hey. Eat it. Eat your nana. It's good for you. Eat it. Eat it. Eat. 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 There you go. Eat the banana. Eat. Eat your nana. Eat. 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 Eat your nana. Eat. Eat. Granny, eat your nana. Relax with me. Eat.
Go, Michael.
Not you saying my whole government.
Yes, I did, cause you bugging me. Yo, you're fighting your mama.
Woo. Alright, my peeps. We just getting here to D's. Bruh, I was sitting in the car for like the last 45 minutes. Literally talking to my guy Lawrence about SE2JZ stuff. Every time I end up on the phone with that fool, we'll be on the phone for hours. But yeah, we here. Tink, tink! What's good with you? What's up, dog? Day 3 of trying to degrease this greasy ass dirty motor.
It's already degreased. There ain't no oil. That's just black paint. Now it's time to tear it apart.
Dirty ass, dusty ass motor.
Yeah, chunks it out.
Alright, about 3 hours went by. D still scrubbing this thing.
Why you damn, bro? I always hate you.
Alright, we got my guy Geith over here. You know, we got the tuner. You know, D can't get cars started without the tuner.
Bro, we need to get this thing started, bro. The world said that you need to start it for.
D can't start it, man. It's the tuner.
Man, that's fucked up. Now he going after the tuner because he tuned better. That's crazy.
Hey, yeah, they gonna be beefing with you next.
Yeah, you coming, they coming. What you say about my map essay?
Hey, we don't care about all the cars you fixed from us. Our shit was running though.
Running.
It was running though.
Black smoke, but it was running.
We did it. We didn't have to call somebody.
Hey, bro, don't be talking about dirt like that. Since we got called a welder since your ass can't weld.
We seen your welds, nigga. You can't weld either.
Nigga, I'm not a welder, nigga, but guess what? I get a grinder, nigga, just like y'all. Y'all told me that. Get a grinder, clean them up. Smart man.
When in doubt, grind them out.
Exactly. Once it's painted, you never know this shit got welded on.
A grinder and some paint will make a welder what he ain't.
What? It's riddles around this bitch today.
Hey, guys, stay out of this. Stay out of this. You gonna get a bombarded with hella angry drunk stories.
Fucking threat. Hey, Westside San Mateo, homie.
Look me.
Check me up. Look me up, fool. Hey, don't make me call Greg and Day Day, homie. All right, homie? Okay? Fool.
All right, so this is just about ready to fire up. Look how beautiful this is. Beautiful.
Hey, where's your fucking meat?
I I got some meat. You want some meat? Huh, big boy? You want some meat, huh?
You bring some lobster?
I brought some shrimps. Yeah, so look at this, man. No wires. I was just talking to D about some Bluetooth spark plug wires or something, and he was, he didn't f up. He showed me the coil unplug clear. I'm like, hold on, we can hold up.
Yeah, just stop talking, bro.
Yeah, so Guy, you done this with coil unplug before?
Yeah, I've tuned a few of them on the phone.
Perfect.
Oh fuck.
Hey, we don't need this MSD with the coil unplug, huh? See? Sending it back. Send it back. Hey, pull it back out. Ordering today. So no, we're gonna put some coils at.
Gotta change the valve. Oh no, we can just hide them.
You're gonna put stuff them under the fender well with black tape.
No, just put them in the behind the dash. You got it on the roof. You don't want to put it where the heat is. I'm more worried about.
Come on, girl.
Old Buick. Does it have gas in it?
What I look like, rookie? I wouldn't have brought this car with no gas. I mean, it did come straight from the track, so it might be low now. Alright, there we go. Running. Does it need gas?
It's going hella lean.
Huh?
It's going hella lean.
Think it's gas?
It might be. Let me try that fuel on the map real quick, see if that does it.
You got gas cans? I think I did. I want to say it has gas in it. Yeah. Yeah. Cause I had stopped till I got tired of adding coolant to the shit. TPS recalibration. There we go. Now it's idling. For the person that was saying about the radiator, you want to go ahead and show them?
Oh, yeah, I seen a comment about that. Okay, I think y'all dealing with rookies. So there's padding under there, and there's rubber isolators down there. Hey, if there wasn't no thing there, Mike's car wouldn't be here. Thanks for looking out, but it'll be okay.
Alright, there it is, boys. Guys got the TPS, everything down in, new map in. Car fires up like a... Bro, this shit sounds so good. Let's listen. Let me get y'all a listen. You know that that shit sound good, bruh. Hey, where's my thump map at, bruh? What? Where's my? Hey, he playing. He talking about he gonna give us the thump map later. Sounds pretty dialed in to me. All right, upload the thump map. This shit sounds good. Yes, yes. Shout out to my guy D, bruh. Stupid clean. Look at that. Stupid clean. Oh yeah, we also added the race hub on there from NRG. Shout out to NRG, race hub action. Man. I don't care if I don't like my floor mats, I had to. It's just, you feel me? Gotta carry my cherry blossom thing. Also put the octopus head in here. Or there's a complete octopus shift knob in here now. Yes, it's a real octopus. Yes, man, yes! Almost ready to hit the dyno soon. Suck it out of it. Alright, there we go. There we go. He couldn't leave without doing it. We got the thumb back. Let me see this map, man. Y'all, you feel me? If you want your shit thumping like this, I'm gonna send you this exact thing. You know, you copy and paste it on there, input your numbers, do your little calibrations, multiply, subtract, and you'll get your thumpage.
Oh, we do that shit?
Hey, we gonna figure it out and start messing with it even more. We gonna have like doc.
Hey, then we gonna doc. Nice, bro. You could get this thing sound like this, huh? What?
Look, shaking, look, it's rocking shit. Look at this laptop screen. Well, you better hold on to that thing before it fall off. You gotta hold them.
That sounds good.
That's how it's gonna feel when you're sitting in there.
Hey, bro, what kind of camera you got? That's that Thump Master 3000.
Look, it thump even harder on idle. It's gonna thump back down. Watch, look.
Look at that motherfucker.
Shaking. Hold on, we gotta start holding on to this shit, yo. Hold on to everything back here.
Start falling off. Oh shit.
We start figuring out what got left loose now.
Falling off. Shit. I like how you can hear it up here with the blower.
Yeah, the blower. He even gave the blower some chop. The blower over here chopping away. You better pray to God your blower sound like this, boy. All right, man, y'all see this thing, man. I just want to say, y'all remember when this thing first came about, and then we had all the fuckery with it. Y'all remember, man, I was told this car would never get finished, it was never gonna run, and I would never be able to find somebody that can finish it. Boy, were you wrong, nigga. This car would have never, ever got to this point if it didn't come here. Like, it would have never got done this clean. But that's why that nigga's this Foxbody specialist. Who gives a fuck if he can't tune? We don't care. I don't come here for this nigga to tune. We got tuners all day long.
Come on, bro.
Specializes.
But look at this, bro. Look at this. Somebody look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful. And it fucking runs. This is show car quality shit. We got niggas that go to shops and get old school builds that aren't as clean as this drift build. That is insane to me. Like, this is my drift car. It's true.
No, bro, I'm talking shit.
But imagine what the 6.4 is gonna look like, bro. If my drift car looks like this, imagine the 6.4.
That's a blank
You
canvas.
want to say this, not to say on your post last night. This ain't even my, this ain't even my full effort. So what you got here, bro? This ain't even the full D's, attention, nothing, bro. This is just the basic shit that I do.
You know what's
100%, no lie, bro.
Hey, you know what's hella funny is he did say that. He was like, now that I know you're gonna keep the car after we went driving, he was like, now I'm gonna do my touch to it. That's exactly what he told me. Cause it was a point where I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. But then now he's like, all right, now I can do my shit that I would normally do for one of my builds, because we was going through replacing all this from the old shop and doing all that to where it was like, I almost gave up on the car. Then he was like, you know what, let me do me and we'll get this shit situated. And bro, look at it. Look at it. Mine is still, we still hate this fucking chopped up radiator support, but I mean, when you look around everything else, it's just like, oh, eventually we'll chop this shit, do a full tube front. Like this is D.0 right here. This ain't even D.2. So we're already talking about doing coil unplug, maybe possibly doing a different intake. I want to swap the intercooler to a inlet and outlet on different sides. That way the piping comes in this way, comes out, and comes back through up over here. That's definitely something I want to do, but I need to figure out what intake manifold I want to run and the coil unplug option. But overall, man, this shit looks good. It sounds fucking amazing. It's definitely one of my favorite sounding cars. Right, nothing sounds like an old school 302. Might not make hella power, but they sound like they got the sauce.
I'll say.
I mean, we gonna make our goal for drifting. 500 horsepower is more than enough. That's the plan on this, is literally a little over 500 and just keep dogging it. So far we've been able to beat the life out of this car. No split block, no blown motor. I mean, I've always been able to drive it back on the trailer so far.
Let's see if these new cam bearings help with the oil pressure, because that motherfucker was always reading 0 after a run.
It was reading like 15, but it didn't have it didn't have an oil cooler, bro. It was like 3 laps in, no coolant. That shit was hot as hell, and it still didn't blow up.
There's some triple box, nigga.
Hey, we never developed rod knock.
No, that's for sure. You're definitely right.
And we never had to push it back up a trailer.
Yeah.